Finding a great coaching niche for yourself can feel like searching for a needle in the haystack, right? But guess what? It doesn't have to be this way because I've got something today that's going to change it completely. Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that's been causing a lot of headaches for coaches, experts, and content creators. That is finding a great niche. There's so much conflicting information out there, and it can be quite overwhelming. But don't worry, I am here to guide you through this maze and show you how to leverage the power of AI to not only find your niche, but also to carve out a unique identity in the crowded online coaching world. So, whether you already have a niche or are about to select one for yourself, consider this a chance to reevaluate your options. Because with AI, you don't need to spend weeks figuring out your niche. In fact, you can do it in seconds. Let me show you how. I'm going to be using the flagship AI called FunnelsGPT powered by Knorish AI. But you can of course use any other GPT as well now. So here is how you can use FunnelsGPT to find your niche. That everybody would buy your products or programs. And you can also find a unique name for your programs that would help you stand out from the crowd. Once you have access to FunnelsGPT after logging into Knorish, which by the way you can do on a free trial plan as well, use these prompts. I'll start with an example of what a yoga coach could do. And as you follow along with the prompts, change the specifics to what applies to you. So the first prompt you can use is, I am a yoga coach. Please list who could be my ideal client or target audience that would benefit from my knowledge. Which of these is the biggest target market in my country? Let's say for this purpose, in India. So based on all these responses that the AI is giving me, let's say I choose working professionals and people with chronic pain. So then my next prompt is going to be, I have chosen working professionals and people with chronic pain. What are the top 5 pain points or opportunities that this target audience is going through? In just 2 prompts, I've got the information I needed. But if you are not convinced, you can continue to ask for more deeper information, and it'll keep customizing the information based on what you need. Finally, you can ask FunnelsGPT to help you come up with a great name for your programs. Just type in, I have chosen high stress levels, lack of time, medication dependency, and work-life balance as pain problems I want to help my target audience solve. Using the problems listed above, help me ideate names for a unique methodology or framework for this niche. And FunnelsGPT will be happy to oblige and give you some really cool names that you can use instantly. Of course, if you don't like these names, you can ask for more names, give ideas of the type of names or words that you wanted to use. So in just a few seconds, you go from I need more clarity to this is what I do. Now the next few key steps would be to figure out how can you build a business around this niche. What sales systems would you need and how do you build a brand around it? So you should definitely watch my next video that tells you about possibly the best framework around which you can build your coaching business. It has already helped thousands get massive clarity, and I think it would do that for you as well. And if you want to learn how to grow your coaching business faster, check out the free masterclass in the description. It'll help you find the fastest sales systems that coaches and experts are using right now to get ahead. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next one.